Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to do our Orton Gillingham, or remember we called it OG lesson for today. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through that picture deck, just like we did yesterday, except we're going to do it a little bit faster. So I'm going to say it once, you repeat, and then we're going to move on. All right, ready? Here we go. A, apple, ah. B, boy, ba. C, cat, ka. D, dog, da. E, edge, eh. F, fish, G, goat, g. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jam, ja. K, kite, ka. L, lamp, l. M, man, m. N, nest, n. O, ox, ah. P, pig, pa. Remember this one? Q, U, queen, qua. Good. Q, U always go together. R, rat, ra. S, snake, s. T, top, ta. U, up, V, van, v. W, wa, wagon. I did that one wrong. W, wagon, wa. Good. X, box, x. Y, yo, yo, ya. And last one, Z, zebra, z. Good job. Much better on the deck. We went a little bit faster today. Good job. So now we're going to move on to our next part of the lesson, which we're going to go over a specific letter. And our letter today is A. And you might recognize it from our picture card. It's the first one we've done both days. So our picture card is A, apple, ah. A, apple, ah. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something called skywriting. So what I need you to do is I need you to pretend like you're going to pick up a pencil. What hand do you hold the pencil in? Pretend like you're holding that pencil and turn the pencil into your fingers, right? So now I have two fingers, and these are going to be my pencil. And this is called skywriting. When we skywrite, we're going to make the letter in the air, but we're going to pretend like we're really doing it on paper. Are you ready? So what I'm going to do is I want you to say A, apple, ah. And as you're saying it, you're going to be writing the letter in the air. Ready? A, apple, ah. Let's do that again. A, apple, ah. Good. So watch what I'm doing. So when I'm writing A, I'm going circle, stick up, stick down. All right? Circle, stick up, stick down. So I want you to skywrite it while I write it on my board. Are you ready? So it's going to look like A, apple, ah. Ready? Here we go. A, apple, ah. Good. What letter is that? A. What is the key word? In other words, what's the picture? The picture is apple. And what does A say? A says ah. A, apple, ah. A, apple, ah. Good job. All right, let's erase. Now, A is a cool letter because it's a vowel, so that means it has emotion too. So when you're saying, remembering what A says, pretend like you're taking a bite of that apple, and you go, ah, ah, ah. Let me see you take a bite of your apple. Ah, very good. So that's our motion for A. Ah, ah, ah. So now when we do our picture deck in the future, you're going to go A, apple, ah. A, apple, ah. Because A has a motion to it so that we can really remember what A says. All right, very nice job. We are going to move on. So we've done our letter, we've done our picture deck, and the next thing is our sight word. So we have a sight word today, and this sight word is the word the. So we're going to learn about the word the. All right, so on the word the, I need you to get a piece of paper or something. You can pause the video, get your piece of paper, get your pencil, because we're going to practice writing it. We're going to skywrite it, and then we're going to write it for real. Are you ready? So pause it, get your paper, and then when you press play, I'll start talking. All right, so you have your paper and your pencil now, and you're ready to write the word the. Before I write it, put the paper and pencil down. I'm going to write it on the board. We're going to talk about it, and then we'll skywrite it, and then you guys will write it. Got it? Okay. So our word is the. We already did the letter A. So now we're going to do the sight word the. The is spelled T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Let me write it again. T-H-E. The. All right. Skywriting fingers. Remember that looks like this, and you're going to write the word in the air. Okay, ready? We're going to do T-H-E. The. And then we say the word at the end after we skywrite it. Let's do that again. Ready? T-H-E. The. One more time. Ready? T-H-E. The. Right, so for today, you're just going to write that. I want you to write the 4 times on your paper. Write the 4 times on your paper. I have mine 1, 2, so I need to write mine 2 more times. Actually, I'm going to erase and write it a little bit smaller. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. So write the 4 times on your paper. Go ahead and pause the video, write it 4 times, and then when you have it written 4 times, go ahead and press play, and we'll finish it up. And we'll do one more thing. All right? So pause, write 4 times, and press play. All right, welcome back. So I think on your paper, you should have the word the written 4 times. T-H-E, the. And now we're going to cover and try to rewrite. Are you ready? So with your hand, cover up what you wrote. You don't want to look at it. And we're going to write the word the. How did we spell the? T-H-E, the. Okay, so I wrote T-H-E, the. Were you able to write it without looking? If not, that's okay. We're going to practice the again tomorrow. But if you were, great job. T-H-E, the. So to recap, we did our picture deck. We worked on the letter A. A, what's the key word? Apple, and what's the sound? A, apple, a. And we wrote and learned the word the. Great job. See you tomorrow for OG.